I tell you that the advice you've been following to grow on YouTube could actually be slowing your channel down in 2026. Sounds crazy, right? For years, we have been told to upload consistently, find a niche, make better thumbnails, and optimize for SEO. Those things still matters, but after I study what's happening across YouTube, I have noticed a shift that almost nobody is talking about. And if these trends continue, thousands of creators who were growing last year will struggle to grow this year, not because they are making bad videos, but because they are actually solving the wrong problem. Stay with me, because before the end of this video, I will show you the biggest change happening on YouTube in 2026 and what smart creators are already doing. Welcome back to RASHIDAT Builds. Part 1. The problem and how to solve it. Let's start with a question. Have you ever uploaded what you believe was your best video, only for YouTube to barely recommend such video? You know, it will shock you. Meanwhile, other creator uploads a video that does not even look as polished and somehow it explodes. Boom. Most people blame it on the algorithm. Algorithm self don't go so far. But what if the algorithm is not the problem? Think about this. Every minute, creators upload hundreds of hours of content to YouTube. YouTube is not struggling to find videos to push out. No. It's actually struggling to decide which videos deserve people's attentions. There is a huge difference. For years, the creator believed YouTube reward effort. Today, YouTube actually rewards satisfaction. They don't reward effort. They reward your viewer satisfaction, not effort. They don't reward effort. No, they don't reward upload frequencies. No, not expensive cameras. They don't. What they reward is actually satisfaction. Once your viewers are satisfied, YouTube will reward you for that. And that is where most creators are falling behind, because they are still optimizing for clicks, while YouTube continue to reward what happened after the clicks. Part 2, the shift. So what actually changed in 2026? In 2026, YouTube has become much better at understanding viewer behavior. It is not just asking, did someone click? It's actually asking, did they stay? It was actually, YouTube now is asking if your video could make your viewers stay. You understand? They are not actually asking if people click. They are asking if they stay. Did they watch another video? Did they come back tomorrow? Did this video make them trust this creator enough to keep watching? This is why you will sometimes see a video with an average thumbnail outperform one with an incredible thumbnail, because the first video keeps its promise. The second one only ends curiosity. That is just it. That is why I keep on telling you that at times when you optimize your video with SEO, you have to do other things. SEO is not dead. You should stop believing that SEO is dead. No, it's only evolving around the platform. It's actually not dead. SEO gets people to your doorstep. Your content decides whether they are invited inside or not. If you have watched to this extent, please and please hit the subscribe button and like button and share this video, so that this will enable the algorithm to push this video to more audience. So what are successful channels doing differently? Number 1 is this. They don't chase every trend. I keep on saying it on this channel that you should stop chasing every trend. You should not be like, okay, this is what is actually happening in this channel. You said you can't pick it, that you want it to work on your channel. No. What they do is this. They create curiosity without becoming clickbait. Don't lie to people, please. Instead of giving viewers all the answer in the first minutes, no. They create questions the viewer naturally wants answers to. You understand? This is exactly what's happening in this video. Notice that I did not start by listening tips. No, I actually push it back. I started with a mystery, because curiosity keeps people watching. You are curious. That is why you are still here. You want to watch till the end. Then number 3 is this. They think in series, not in single video. They think in series, not in single video. Every upload should make viewers want another upload. The goal is not one viral video. No, stop having that. The goal is building viewing habits. When viewers expect value from your channel, YouTube notices this. Grow on YouTube in 2026. That is a question everybody has been asking, if they can actually grow on YouTube in 2026, and the answer is absolutely yes. But the creators who succeed won't simply upload more videos. They will understand people better. They will make videos that answer real questions. You don't just bombard YouTube with videos. No. They will hold viewers' attention and leave viewers wanting another one. That is what people do in 2026. That is the risk strategy, not gaming the algorithm. You can't game the algorithm, not let people deceive you. It's definitely not possible for you to game the algorithm. If you have watched this far, you are already doing what successful creators do. You are investing in learning before chasing results. Now, I would love to hear from you. What is your biggest challenge on YouTube? What's your biggest challenge on YouTube in 2026? Leave it in the comment section below. I will be there reading every comment. I read every one of them and it might inspire my next video. And if you are serious about growing your channel with smart SEO, not CEO, SEO. You know I'm a CEO now, so I like calling CEO. It's actually actually SEO, don't mind me. SEO. If you are interested about growing your channel with smart SEO strategy, outdated might, subscribe because that is exactly what we offer here. A suggestion that can make this even stronger. Thank you for spending your time with RASHIDAT Builds. If this video gives you a perspective on YouTube growth, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with other creators who needs to hear it. And if you are serious about growing your YouTube channel with practical SEO results, SEO strategies, growth tips, and monetization advice, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. This is RASHIDAT Build. We don't just chase view, we build channel that lasts.